Chapter number 1. Question 1. How technology is shaped by physics? Answer. Physics and technology are closely related. Therefore, physics has a key role in the progress of humankind and in the improvement of quality of living. The technologies shaped by physics are: A. Physics provide basic understanding for developing new instruments for medical applications such as CT scan, MRI, PET, etc. B. The use of physics in information technology has improved the standard of communication such as mobile cell phones and hologram technology, etc. Question 2. Physics and biology are considered different branches of science. How physics links with biology? Answer. Physics is the root of every field of science. One of the major developments in biology and even in medicine have been made by physicists. Examples. Physics provide basic understanding for developing new instruments for medical applications such as CT scan, MRI, PET and laser surgeries. Question 3. Why measurements important? Answer. Measurement. Measurement is a technique by comparing a quantity with a standard unit. Explanation. Measurements require tools and provide scientists with equality. Measurement is not only the fundamental concepts in science but also in our daily life. Without measurements, it would be difficult for scientists to conduct experiments. Importance. Measurement is mission, manufacturing, farming, engineering and a lot of other activities. Question 4. Why area is a derived quantity? Answer. Reason. Area is a derived quantity because it is derived from two base quantities. Explanation. As area is the product of length and width, W, I. E. A equals I width, and we know that length is base quantity. As area is the product of two base quantities, that is why area is derived quantity.